Well, I got two cameras going, and yeah, we're gonna be burning trash. The Nikon's always a little blurry. It's gonna be crappy at first, but yeah, do some burning trash videos. I got basically both neck straps on them, so I'll show you guys why I got two cameras. I'm gonna have to carry the other bag later. The other bag doesn't get burnt though. So let's go for it. Of course, I'm using the Kodak and the Nikon, so sorry about the crappy videos for a bit. And I don't have the torch. I gotta go in and get them, or get it. It's like 10 degrees right now, so it's not much warmer yet, but it's still real windy. You guys can hear. There's the Husqvarna, and with the snow out, it's probably gonna quit the fire if it does spread a little too far. I don't know why I'm recording with two cameras. I mean, I don't have to, but I'm gonna do a little different video. Basically go 2 in 1. Alright guys, I can hold them both now. So, I'm going to set the Kodak right there, but I'm not gonna do it until I get back out with the torch, because I don't want my Kodak staying out here for a long time in the cold, because I don't want to hurt them. But yeah, I'll be setting it right there and pointing it right here. The Nikon I'll be holding. I figured it'd be kind of cool. The Nikon I can pause, but the Kodak I can't, so I'm just going to leave them both going. You know what? I don't know why. So, I'll actually upload these videos separate. I'll just go Nikon Coolpix B500 POV, and then the Kodak Pix Pro AZ528 POV. So, yeah, there's the crappy road. So I wish I wish the Nikon wasn't blurry all the time. The Kodak, it focuses pretty good, but Nikon, not so much. I'm trying to set this towel out, because this is where the Kodak's going. As long as no snow gets on there, I'm happy. And as long as the wind don't blow it, which it kind of is. Alright, let's go. Let's go get the torch. Yep, it's pretty windy. You know, this is kind of stupid, 2 cameras recording, but I want to start using my cameras more, so, and you guys will get 2 extra videos today, so why not? I think the Nikon's got a little better quality. I'm not sure. They both are good though. And don't forget, check out the cold starts of those 2. Man, this Nikon. I just don't like the way it blurs. Let me in the Nikon real quick and see if I can get it to focus more. It might have helped a little bit. Okay, I gotta start it back up. Not much better, but that's how it's gonna have to get. You know what? Let's just use this one. Well, I might as well grab the other bag and throw it in the garbage can. Alright. let's go for it. It's gonna get crappy again, everybody. See how the Nikon's view is. It actually unblurred quite a bit. It's actually better than it was, I think. Yeah, I need to get the focuses figured out on the Nikon and probably the codec too. I just don't know anything about cameras. I don't understand why the Nikon doesn't focus like I want it to. I don't know if there's a certain way you gotta hold it or a certain way you gotta put it, or I don't know, but it's kind of annoying. And this is a pain in the butt holding two cameras. Apologize, guys, about the crappy videos. But there we go. That should be better. Yeah, it's not very warm outside. And with the crap blowing off the barn roof. Yeah, let's see. Oh, because the pink. Okay, well, I gotta go save that. Alright, let me get the Nikon set up. Or freaking codec, my bad. Right here. Oh shoot, I about hit my lens on the... Alright, let's try that. I probably hit the Nikon a little bit, but it's alright. There's the codec's place. My cameras very well could shut off from the cold, I don't know. They haven't yet, but I'd never really tested them out in the cold weather filming like this. I've always used my phone, but I got two pretty decently expensive cameras that I don't use because I use crappy phones. That's why I'm using these more. Because all my phones are, my A54's got good quality, but I still think cameras are always better. So, alright, let's see if I get this burnt. There we go. Alright, here we go. It's really windy. I know you shouldn't burn trash when it's windy, but with there being snow, I probably won't keep going that good. Alright, let's get this. Alright, well, I guess. Here we go. Maybe this whole two camera thing was not a good idea at all. With the cold and wind and yeah, it's pretty nasty out. I gotta put my hood up, I think. Then everybody will see how stupid I look. Yeah. Well, the codec's staying pretty dry from the snow. Oh shit. Yeah, that'll happen too. I'm actually surprised that's going as good as it is. I'll use my other zoom in thing. Yeah. Yeah, everybody's probably seeing how stupid I look in this stupid hood right now. Whatever. Let's zoom into the flames. Pretty boring video, so I figured 2 cameras would make it easier. You guys see how much of a pain in the butt it is. All this crap will be melted this week. It's supposed to be a high of 21 today, but tomorrow... tomorrow's supposed to be 35, 38 degrees. And the next 10 days is going to be pretty much like that. Thursday we're supposed to get almost an inch of rain, but today, right now, it's 10 degrees, windy as hell, snow blowing everywhere. That road's pretty covered, crappy, icy. Yeah. And then in a few days it's going to be rainy and muddy and sloppy, warm, and 20-mile-an-hour winds without the gust. So yeah, it's going to be fun Thursday with all that crap. And look at that bird. Kodak looks like it's doing great. Ah, the thing's stuck again. Okay. And that's a good ASMR right there. And since that stick is burning a little bit, it's going to make all that noise. You know, well, let's see if we can move it into the thing a little more. There we go. Now, that's why I'm burning trash now, because with it being windy, the snow, and if the fire starts to blow somewhere, the snow will pretty much put the fire out pretty quick. So, and it wasn't that big of a bag of trash, so I figured why not make a video now. 2 videos, that is, you guys will get. Oh, you guys have got 2 videos yesterday, 1 today, or now you're getting 2 today. And you're getting some old uploads. So that'll be good for the channel viewers. Well, guys, I don't think what the heck was I gonna say? I don't think there's a point into watching this burn until it's actually done, because you guys pretty much got good long videos today. So I am I'll end the Nikon video, keep the Kodak one going a little bit longer, but alright, well, I'm going to end the Nikon video, so I'll still be at the Kodak video, and then you know what, need to keep it going for the videos. You know, yeah, let's just keep them both going for the videos for my YouTube channel. This thing's on a tender. I'm not going to touch it. Okay, well, I'm going to put the torch. I'm going to hold the Kodak this time. And it's still filming. It's got a little snow on it, but it's still filming, and it's responding fairly well. Yep. Yeah, this is can open the door. Pretty nice in here. Yeah, there's no heat on in here, but this barn is insulated so well, it stays pretty warm in here. I mean, you can turn that thing on and it'll be warm in here quick. You can have it on the lowest heat setting. It heats it up in here pretty quick. Of course, my grandpa's got one on the wall there, and I think that's one right there as well. So, anyways, all right, let's go back inside so I can end the videos. All right. Dark. Well, this is what happens when you just want to keep your video cameras going good. Yeah, there must have been something in there that doesn't belong, but everything's good. Look at all this salt, man. I think the Kodak zooms in more than the Nikon, unless I got it zoomed in a little bit. No, it's just zoomed in more than the Nikon. Oh yeah. Only I would do something like this. Film burning little trash, 10 degrees, windy as crap, 2 cameras around my neck. Yeah, look at the 2 straps, you know? 2 straps around my neck. Yeah, it's stupid. Alright. And we'll do the Nikons first, but alright guys, I'm gonna end the video. Okay. Yeah, that was terrible.